Yo. Crunchy, tasty with the vegeta on it.
Hey everyone, and welcome to I'm Winging It. If you're looking for perfectly measured recipes and predictable results, you might be in the wrong place. But if you're ready to embrace the wild side of air frying, then buckle up because we're about to wing it. On this channel, we're throwing caution into the air fryer and seeing what happens. Join Rod as he experiments, improvises, and occasionally invents recipes on the fly. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of these interesting creations.
Hello. So today I'm going to be cooking potatoes. I'm going to be slicing them up, putting a bit of vegeta on them, putting them in the air fryer, and then also I'm going to be doing the pork sausages, tan style fennel. Hopefully they'll be nice. So we'll peel up some spuds. Got the spuds peeled, so we'll just cut it in half. Then we'll just slice them up thinly. So we've sliced them up. So when we put them in the air fryer, you want to just flatten them out like that. Don't separate them, just flatten them out. They'll be like that in the air fryer. Then we'll sprinkle vegeta on them. So now we're going to sprinkle vegeta. So we're going to sprinkle it a fair bit amount on. Don't be shy with it. Just put it on. Sprinkle it all over. Then we'll put a bit of olive oil on it, but I'll use a bit of garlic infused stuff. We'll put them in. So we'll go 15 minutes. I reckon 190. I'll check them in between. We'll see how we go. Let's have a look. Yeah, they're starting to look alright. I think they need a little bit more cooking, the spuds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bit of olive oil on the bottom. Grab some sausages. So the spuds need a little bit more. So I've put the sausages in. We'll go 190. Hurry it up. Get it cooking fast. Just in between, give your sausages a bit of a turn so they cook evenly all round. Check your spuds. Yeah, they're getting there. Yeah, it's nearly all done. Let's check it out. I think they're done. Pork doesn't need too much anyway. I'll try a spud. Ooh, they're done. There we are. Spuds cut up finely with vegeta. And we got sausages. What are they? They're Italian style fennel. Let's give it a try. Nice sausages with the fennel and that. Very nice. It's bud. Yo. Crunchy, tasty with the vegeta on it. Beautiful. See you on the next one.